Hey, riders and learners, we're back for a new week, new video. So, this past summer, I had the opportunity to collaborate with a relatively new motorcycle gear company. The name of the company is called Fogy Garage. And my experience with them has been pretty good. They reached out to me over the summer to do a review for one of their gloves. And so the gloves that they gave in this box right there were called the Ursus Chief gloves. And there's two kinds. There's one in black, and then there's the one that I have right there in sand. And just to talk a little bit about how they felt, I've actually been using them most of the summer. And as you know, if you followed my Instagram or you follow the YouTube page that you're on right now, my motorcycle has been out of commission for a while. But while I've been riding, I have been using these gloves. So, as you know, we're coming to the end of the summer, and these gloves are kind of, I've had them for the summertime, and they're pretty good for the heat. I'm here in North Carolina, and the heat can get kind of crazy. I actually, with these gloves, even though it's leather, right? And by the way, the leather is great. It's high quality, handcrafted, handmade. But I know sometimes anything that's leather can be a little bit stifling, especially if you are, riding around in the heat, 90 degrees. And in North Carolina, we had some crazy heat waves. So this was great for the summer riding months. If that's something that you're going to be in and around, if you're in a hot climate, it works. And because of the leather, I'm sure it's actually going to be just fine going into the fall and into the winter as well. Now, in terms of the fit and the way they look, they're pretty unique. So it's a soft leather quality. It's solid, but they also have some ruggedness to it, right? So it's a rugged riding glove. If you're into the scrambler look, it's probably your type of thing. They have the hard armored knuckles, which I always feel like anything that's abrasion resistant, which these are, along with the armored knuckles, in case you ever go down, I feel like it just keeps a little bit more of a peace of mind as you're riding. Now, in regards to the fit specifically, for me, I have, I can't say I have huge hands, but my fingers are actually really long. So gloves coming from Asia, right, where they're kind of made for the people that are there specifically, I had to go up a size. So normally I'm an extra large in any type of glove, motorcycle gear or not. I need an extra large. But for these, I actually needed a 2XL for it to fit perfectly and snug and comfortably. So, and those are with the Ursus Chief gloves. You may, because of the handcrafted leather, your hands will kind of mold the glove around you, right? Even if it's a snug fit, that's something to keep in mind. But also, you want to take a look at the sizing chart just so that you can get a real understanding of what your true size is for any glove, but especially from Fogy Garage. Also, just looking at the outside by the palm, there's padding over there as well. So it's really an all-around comfortable glove. So I'll also link a few things in the description. So they're big into Instagram, Fogy Garage. They're always posting something, and their website I'll put down there as well. And as you get to the website, I'll probably end off while talking about a few things. One, my recommendation, and also the price. You're probably wondering what's the price. And currently I see it's $180, but there is a sale at $162 US. That may feel pricey to you, but a lot of the handcrafted leather when you get that, you're going to be paying a little bit of a premium. But you don't have to worry about that because you're on my page. So there is a extra 5% off, I believe, when you sign up for any sort of email. But also at the same time, I have a discount code that I will link at the bottom. That is an extra 10%. So if you're into the scrambler look, if you like the sand color, I like brown gloves and any kind of type of brown. These gloves actually work for me. There's a few there that are actually on their website that look beautiful. So take a look. Remember the discount code. Remember to check your size, measure it, and let me know what you think. If you get it, if you have any other questions, hit me up in the comments section. Enjoy.